Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're installing a decal on the Toyota. So all you need is a spray wax, the decal, and a microfiber cloth. So follow me as we do it. So next thing would be to separate the decal from the film. So make sure the decal is on the sticky side of the film. Take it out slowly. And then if you have a squeegee, you can use the squeegee just to rub on it. I don't have a squeegee, so this is the best thing I could find. So once that is done, just leave it for a minute or two, and then we can take off the film, and with that we'll be done. So as we wait for that one to settle in, we can do another one at the back here.